We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments and to cherish the words which shall unite Tim and Maggie in marriage. Marriage is the promise between two people who love each other and who trust in that love, who honor each other as individuals and who choose to spend the rest of their lives together. I'm ready to fall. I'm leaving it all. When we love like this, we can never fail at anything or ever disappoint anyone. I know we are not perfect human beings, and we will fall short in living God's way to life. But we have the ability to show compassion and be plenteous in forgiveness. This is the true way to love. And within this love, it requires an unwavering commitment each day to be the best version of yourself. I've been holding in everything. I just want to say the words out loud. I won't let it get the best of me. Gravity holds the key for me now. I'm ready to fall. Ready to fall.
I, Tim Jacinto, take you, Maggie Ramadan, to be my wife.
I, Maggie Ramadan, take you, Tim Jacinto, to be my husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To honor, to cherish, to sustain, and to love with all my heart.
And to love with all my heart.
In every situation, under any condition.
In every situation, under every condition.
According to God's holy word.
According to God's holy word.
And thereto I pledge to you myself.
And thereto I pledge to you myself.
Ready to fall.